So, how are you doing? I feel a bit low in my energy. I think I need to give myself a little bit more water. And the croissant. I'm going to talk to you about game mechanic number 26 variables or variables or variable. I have no idea how to pronounce it. But in good games, all characters and objects can have variables, things that deteriorate over time or because if you use them or whatever. And the variables obviously should be relevant to the object or person or character that you have. For instance, eating and drinking gives me endurance and strength or energy. Um, and together with drinking, eating, resting, in order to build up endurance and strength, are already five mechanics or five variables. So for objects like cars, these elements could be speed, torque, handling, braking power. Um, and I think the trap for most of us, like game designers, is to create a game that's completely realistic or that it has too many variables, that it becomes so complicated. Not only to think what contributes to what and why that is relevant or effective, but also programming that stuff. So I think a game should always give an expression or a core experience of a building or building stuff or driving or living. But yeah, avoid becoming a simulation because simulations are not really fun to play.